how to convert cold traffic into warm traffic. What's going on, guys? Jordan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can start implementing this so you can start getting better results on your campaigns. Now, something that I've noticed is that most people make the mistake of going straight to their objective that they want to go, that they need. In this case, if you want to get sale, they go straight to the sale. If they want to get lead, they go straight to the leads. And you need to understand that at the end of the day, those users that are behind your screen looking at your ads, your content, those are real people. Those people, they have the same fears like you might have if you see a new company, a new product, a new service. It doesn't mean that they're gonna get it right away. They need to go through a warm-up process in order for them to buy your product, right? To get your service, especially if you're selling a high-ticket service or product. Now, I'm not saying that going straight to the objective that you want sales or lead, is bad. You can still get results, but it's not the best way to go because it's a pretty unstable method. It has a lot of volatility, and if you want to build a solid business with a solid foundation, then you should start changing your game. Therefore, in this video, I'm gonna show you what most people commonly do and why you should avoid it, and what you should do instead to get better results on your ad campaign. This can be with Facebook ads, or any other advertising campaign, because what I'm gonna share with you is the principle, the concepts, so you can apply the same concepts on another platform. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn how to do this, you can go to jordanvelazquez.com/trainings and you can start learning how to do it. Or if you want us to help you with that, then go ahead and go to jordanvelazquez.com/call and let's see how we can help you out. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's video. So the method number one, and this is what most people do, they create an ad and then they send the user directly to the landing page. And here you want the user to perform a certain action. This can be to give you an email address and you can give them a lead magnet, or webinar registration. Ask the user to register to your webinar, or send them to your sales page where you have your service so they can get your service right away, or to your e-commerce store, to your product page so they can buy your product. Now, what is the problem that I see here is that, for instance, let's say that you are a personal trainer and you send the user to your sales page where you're promoting a training program, let's say. And what's gonna happen? It's gonna be hard to get sales because you haven't built trust. Trust is an important metric that most people forget, and to be honest, I believe it's the most important one, because when you build trust, here is where you're gonna see big results with your business, with your offers. Now, take in mind that if a person buy from you, it's because they're gonna trust on you. Of course, they're gonna get your product, but they're gonna get it because they know you and because you give them, or you provide that trust that you wanna give them a good product, a good service, and that's why people buy nowadays, okay? On trust. Also, something that I noticed is that if you use this method, they're not gonna be high quality because most of these people, they don't convert that well during the sales process. And I'm telling you this myself because I've done this in the beginning, and I was starting to use traffic to my lead magnet, and I was getting traffic, I was getting leads, but when they start to getting further on my sales process, most of them, they weren't converting that well. So it's not that high quality when you implement this method. Now, take in mind that I'm not saying that this method doesn't work. You still can get results, but it's an unstable method. It has a lot of volatility. This means that you can get results one day and suddenly the next day it won't work. So if you're planning to create a solid business, a solid foundation for a long term, then I recommend you to do this instead. Method number two. So this is what I recommend you to go for if you want to start building that trust with your audience, start building a solid foundation for your business. Now, first, you want to create a campaign. The first campaign is for exposure. You want to create a video ad talking about your service, your product. Let them people know what is your business about, how you can help them. And this way, you want to introduce yourself, okay? and you want to send these people to your fan pages. Okay, this can be your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or your YouTube if you want to get subscribers. Now, the main goal of the video ad is to get exposure, to get brand awareness, let people know that your business exists and how you can help them. Then is to create custom audiences. Okay, take in mind that these people that watch your video may be 50%, 75%, 95% of your video. Those people are interested in what you have to offer. So this is a warm audience. Also, this is a nice way to get followers, likes, or subscribers. Now I'm gonna continue with the same example here. Let's say that you're a personal trainer. You wanna create a video ad showcasing your expertise, how you can help your potential customers. Then the ad is gonna send them to your fan page, and you need to have content. Content is key if you want to start building trust with your audience. Now, those people, they're gonna follow you, engage with your videos, comment, like, whatever, but this is an important step. Now, once you do this, you wanna go to the second step, that is creating a second campaign. Now, when you have those people that they know that you exist, that interact with your fan pages, with the video ad, you wanna create a conversion ad, okay? This time, you're gonna ask them for a more direct or stronger call to action. So this can be something like this. You want to create a video ad with a stronger call to action, like, for instance, hey, if you want to know how to train, click the link here and get my cheat sheet on my best, I don't know, chest exercise or biceps exercise. And you want to give something for free, okay? That's how you want to start collecting leads. Or if you're selling a product, create a video ad or image ad. You want to tell them, hey, if you want to get this product that is on discount right now, click the link here and buy it. And they're going to go to the product page, and it's more likely, it's going to be easier for these people to perform the action of buying your product or giving their email addresses so you can start building your audience. So this is super important, guys. This is a strong way that you can start building your business the right way. So in a nutshell, first you want to create a exposure campaign, okay? Simple call to action, like a like, send people to a fan page, and here you want to start building your warm audience, okay? For the people that engage with your video ad or your fan pages. Then you want to create a custom audience, create a conversion ad. You can use a video ad or an image ad, but you need to ask for a stronger call to action. Send people to a landing page, give them a lead magnet, a free something, or send them to your product page or to your offer or whatever you are promoting. So basically that's it, guys. Those are the steps that you need to follow in order for you to have better results with your campaigns, to warm up your audience, okay? I know it can take a little bit of time and a little bit more of effort, but if you really want to succeed with your business, this is what you should be doing. And honestly, most people, they just want to get quick results and they don't want to put into work, and this is where they fail, honestly. It's not easy. It's not easy. I'm telling you, I'm doing this right now and it's not easy. It takes time. But I want to build something for a long term, something solid. You need to put into work, and this is the way to go. So if you want to learn more, you can start with my free training by going to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings. Or if you want experts to do it for you, then go ahead and schedule a call with us at jordanvelasquez.com/call, and let's see how we can help you out. So basically that's it, guys. I hope that you find it valuable in this video. See you in the next one.